It is February, and as you can see, the lawn is mostly dormant, but you can see some green starting to come in, especially along the house side here. Up there where the dog has been fertilizing, it's really starting to turn green. Come along here where it's mostly heat from the concrete and also the bricks. You can see the middle is almost fully dormant, but there's a little green poking through, so that means spring is just around the corner. And let me get a little close so you can see the green. So you can see that green grass, good old Bermuda coming through. You don't do a whole lot in February normally, but I'm gonna do a few things that you can accomplish in one weekend. So let me head to the garage and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do this month. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. I got some tools out. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today. I'm probably just going to do this one thing this month, and because March is usually when we kickstart the season. First, I'm going to go through the yard with my turf rake on my Allett C24. I've got the cartridge installed already, so we're going to clean up the yard. And as you can see the wash lines. You can see where it's been washing, because we've had a whole lot of rain this winter, and it would come down this way and really build up some dead grass. And it's basically going to clean up everything that's fallen down to the canopy. So we're going to do that first, and then we're going to do a soil test before I put down any products. I haven't put down any products since probably the 1st of January. Some pre-emergent, some winter pre-emergent. Actually, I think it's in December. But we're going to do a soil test, and here are a couple of options you have. You have Yard Mastery, you got your Soil Suave. All these are available on Amazon or their respective stores. And also you can, if I'm in Alabama, I can do my co-op, which sends it off to Auburn University. I've done that. Both yield great results. Then after I get my soil tests, I will be ready to put down my first application of pre-emergent, because it is turning green. So that means higher temperatures around the corner. And as you know, Bermuda grass, it wakes up usually when the soil temperatures reach 65 degrees. From there, Bermuda wakes up, starts turning green, and starts growing, because it only gets warmer after that. So we're going to throw down the Andersons Barricade on DG Pro for the front yard. This is enough to cover my entire front yard. In fact, let's go over it real fast. The active ingredient is, well, there it is, Prodiamine. But it's an easy way to put out pre-emergent. The other option is to get the granules. I've already got the application rate down here at the bottom. And you basically just mix it in water and spray it. As you can see, little granules down there. You measure it out, put it in the proper amount of water. In a sprayer, you can use a push sprayer like this or a backpack sprayer, you know, whatever's best for your lawn size. But yeah, it covers up to 5,800 square feet. And as you know, my front yard, well, the entire front yard, including the ditch, is 8,300 square feet. I'm mainly going to treat my 4,300 here, and I'll overlap a little so that the bag gets a full application coverage of the 5,400 square feet. So I'll take a little strip of the ditch out there and use it. And then the rest of my property, I guess I have 27,000 square feet. I'm probably just going to use the Prodiamine, just spray it out, get some exercise, put it in my sprayer here, run around the yard. It's a beautiful day. In fact, it's supposed to be pretty all week, except for tomorrow we're going to get some rain. So it's going to be a perfect time to get this down, and the DG particles, it'll dissolve and really get the Prodiamine down into the turf. So it will be ready when March rolls around and those warmer temperatures come. So let's crank up the old Allett and clean up the yard. Then we'll take our soil test, and then we will throw down the Barricade in my Impro spreader there. If you hadn't seen my Impro spreader, I got a couple of videos on it. I'll link those up top. That way you can click on it and learn about it. It's a really great spreader. And of course I got my old hopper here. That's to dump all my Alright guys, I did a double pass with the Turf Rake, or Scarifier cartridge as it's also called. I came this way and then I came back and did east to west. So it is really clean. Look how clean that Bermuda is. I got a lot of the dead debris that fallen into the yard. Got it cleaned out. You can actually see the green a little bit better. So now we're going to head over here to the workbench. I also went and got my soil samples, and I basically used I just use one of these nice little hory knife to dig down. I did that 5 different spots just in the front yard and got my dirt here, cleaning down and let it dry a little bit, and then I'll use one of these soil testing kits to send off. And then also I'll pack that up. I'll probably send it off tomorrow, and then in a few minutes I'm going to put down this Barricade on the front yard. I'm just going to do the whole bag. Covers 5,800 square feet, so I'm going to do my full 4,300 square feet, and then plus a little bit in the ditch. As you can see out by the edge of the road, I used this past winter, I used Anderson's Pure granular, and it's got some weed suppression up there. Looks like it's got some poana out there, so it's gonna go over into that, so help protect that a little better. And then I'll come and I'll finish spraying the rest of the ditch with some liquid Prodiamine 65 WDG. I'll probably do that this weekend. Today's Wednesday. And also I'm going to go ahead and do my monthly application of BioChar, 1 pound per 1,000 square feet, so right at 4.3 pounds of that product. We'll put it out on the front yard as well, and then we'll get a little rain and we'll water both that in and then also the BioChar. So let's fill up our hoppers and we will get to spreading. Okay guys, to give a quick recap of what we did today, I went through and I scarified with the Allett turf rake. Gave it a good turf raking. I went east to west and then went north to south, so I kind of double turf raked it, and I got like over 4 barrelfuls of my, where is it? Oh, there it is down there. 4 wagonfuls of debris out of the yard. Then after that, I took my soil samples before I applied any product this year. And then I came back and I put down some Barricade with Prodiamine by the Andersons. Put it down, and then I did my monthly application of BioChar at 1 pound per 1,000. And that's it. That should be all I need to do this month. I mean, we're gonna have some seesaw weather back and forth. Today is in the 80s. Tomorrow we're gonna get some rain to work all that product down. And then we're gonna have some cool days where it highs in the 50s and 60s, and then we're going to be back up in the 70s. So we're going to seesaw back and forth until this ground temperature gets up to 65 and higher to really wake up the Bermuda. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that way you get notified. I got some cool little what they call shorts coming up, little cartoon shorts. Hope you enjoy that. And also head on over to Bermuda Lawn Calendar. If you're putting down liquid Prodiamine or any of these products, really, I have a lot of calendars on there to really help you guys out. You put in your square footage of your yard and it calculates how much product to put down. So look forward to seeing you guys this summer. Hope you guys have a great day.